I just wanted to take a quick moment before the video starts to give a trigger warning for anyone who needs it, because this video does contain small amounts of dried blood on the seats, mats, and doors. So, if that is something that you would prefer not to see, please click off the video. Unfortunately, this vehicle was involved in a hijacking, and Amega Cleaning service was called out to deep clean the vehicle. They have already taken the vehicle to the panel beater, and all the entry holes have been repaired. The panel beater also removed the seats, door panels, and carpets from the vehicle for us to concentrate on the cleaning, disinfecting, and sanitizing of the vehicle.
Getting stains off the carpet. Some blood stains off the seats. Steam cleaning